Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you have a problem with an Etsy order that wasn't resolved by the seller? Etsy allows buyers to open a case so the platform can review the situation and help resolve funds or refunds, so missing items or disputed. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to open a case in Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So when you can open a case, you can open a case if item not received, item arrived damaged, item not as described, seller stopped responding, order must qualify under Etsy policies. Okay, so first thing first, contact seller first. Okay, so open purchases and reviews. Um, Select your order, you will find your orders here, tap help with order and message the seller. So wait at least 48 hours for response. So it's required before opening a case. Okay, you can also open your order page. So on desktop, for example, sign in, click your profile icon as I did, and then select preview purchases and reviews. Choose the order again, order details page opens. Okay, you can also open the case. So scroll down and tap still need help, select open a case, choose issues type, item not received, item damaged or not as described. Okay, you can provide details as description of problem, photos if applicable, delivery information, communication history. Okay, and then submit the case. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.